Hey Speeders, welcome back to Speaker TV. I'm Hafiz, and today we are at McLaren Jakarta. But not to take a look at a McLaren car, although there's a very lovely 570S. Shout out to Fred Lingga, a very good friend of Speedcreed. But we're gonna take a look at a McLaren for your office instead. This is the Secretlab TITAN Evo series McLaren edition. So let's unbox it. So if you're a gamer, you probably have heard of Secretlab. They are a Singaporean brand. They make gaming chairs and other cool accessories. They've been kind enough to send us this McLaren edition of their flagship gaming chair. So yeah, let's unbox it. Let's see what's what. Let's see what's inside. Oh, that's really cool. So inside you get this. So yeah, it's kind of like a poster of the, what's this? The MCL 38, maybe? And you've got the instructions back here. So let's build the chair. So first you've got the backrest. All right. So first we got the backrest. So you gotta open it up. And now this is made out of Secretlab's Neo Hybrid Leatherette, but because this is a McLaren edition, you have Alcantara-like sweat right here. Yeah, so it's like a tribute to the McLaren supercars. And also it has this honeycomb pattern on the backrest. You got a Secretlab logo here, the McLaren logo here. It's made out of Secretlab's Neo Hybrid Leatherette, but it also has their sweat-like Alcantara right here. It's a tribute to McLaren supercars, you know. And of course, we've got the honeycomb pattern as a tribute to the McLaren MP4-1, which was the first F1 car to use honeycomb pattern carbon fiber chassis. So that's really cool. So first we got the backrest. Okay, so next you have to put out the foam sheets, and next you take out the wheelbase. So when you're building this chair, it is probably a good idea to have a friend. Oh, I forgot the soap. Okay. All right, so you got the wheelbase right here, and then you take out the foam casters. Next, you got the wheels. It's right inside this box. Let's see. Oh, okay, that's cool. You've got a bunch of accessories and tools to build your chair. So let's take out the wheels first. There are a total of 5 wheels, much smaller than the wheels on the 570S right there, obviously, and less cool, but still. So basically you just push in the wheels. There are 5 of them. All done, okay. So next is turn the wheelbase upside down and insert the hydraulic piston. All right, slide the hydraulic piston. So inside the box you get the hydraulic pistons right here and a toolkit. So you can build a chair on your own. You just need a friend. Simple enough. Okay, that's the base done. Right, that's surprisingly easy. Okay, so let's move that. Next, remove these Allen keys. Okay, so open up the toolbox. You've got some Allen keys and screws in there. Oh, that feels really good, actually. Alright, so yeah, the next step is you're gonna remove these Allen screws. Yeah, they're called Allen screws. There are 4 of them. So you're going to install the backrest to the seat base. And you've got to remove these screws to install them together. So I guess while we're removing this, would be a good time to talk about that 570S right there. 3.8 liter V8, twin turbo, 570 horsepower. I drove that a few years ago actually. Well, not this car, but I drove one a few years ago in Sentul. And the main thing I remember about the 570S was just how comfortable it was. Like, obviously Sentul circuit isn't very smooth, but the car felt very comfortable and very smooth. And I drove it in the rain, but it never felt nervous or anything like that. It felt really safe. So yeah, that is actually a really good car. Take out the seat base. So, okay. Right, so next, you gotta bring out the seat base, which angkat dari situ. Right. So next you got the seat base. This is quite heavy. You can actually build the chair on your own. I've read on forums and whatnot that people can build this chair in about 30 minutes on their own. But I think having a friend would be a great help and would make your day a lot easier. Right, so you got this seat base out, and then the next thing you gotta do is slide on the backrest. Oh, this has to be. So yeah, just slide on the right side of the backrest onto the seat base. Okay. So yeah, on the left side, you don't actually have to align it. You just slide it in. Yeah. And then you gotta screw it in. Wait. Oh. There you go. So yeah, you put on the backrest onto the seat base, and then put in the screws that you took out earlier. See, this is a good thing when you have a friend to build the chair with you. You can relax while they do the other side. Let me see. So yeah, while we're doing the screws up, is this correct? I'm not entirely sure. For the 570S, some unique things about the 570S. The wheels are staggered. The front wheels are 19 inches. The rear wheels are 20 inches. It's the Sport Series, not the Super Series. So this came out alongside the 720S. This is the sort of entry-level supercar for McLaren. Although there is also the 540S. There's a couple of units in Indonesia, but it's mostly for like the Chinese market, so it's an even more. It's basically the same as the 570S, but with less power and slightly cheaper. So yeah, screwed in. That was pretty easy. So next we've got to put on the magnetic covers for the screws, which are these. Strong magnet, okay. So yeah, you've got screws right here, it's visible. But if you don't like seeing that, you can put the magnetic covers in, which I think we have them mixed up. Ah, there you go, okay. Oh, okay. It's very easy. Regular. Ah, okay, that's nice. Sticker. So that's the seat done. Oh, next we've got to remove this. Right, once you've put on this backrest on the seat base, you've got to remove that. And remove this. This is sort of the lock for the recline adjustment. So I need this, and I need a Phillips screwdriver. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's very nice. So yeah, you get tools with the seat. You get a screwdriver, and it's magnetic. Feels really good, I love this. So yeah, get a screwdriver and remove this red tab right here, because that is a safety for the recline adjustment, so it doesn't get shifted around during shipping. Oh, that's cool, it's magnetic. This is really nice actually. And now, yeah, I can adjust it. Nice. So next, we're gonna connect the seats to the wheelbase. So recline that a bit and turn it upside down. Oh crap, that's quite heavy. Yeah. Yeah, that is quite heavy, but then that's how you know it's a quality product. take out, holy crap, that's heavy. So this is the tilt lever. This is what you use to put the seat up or down, adjust the seats up or down. So first you gotta put in the levers first. So there are actually two. So you put both the left and the right. Follow the instructions. It's very clear actually. It's just that everything is quite heavy. So one is for the tilt lock, one is for the height. So once that's on, this is where a friend also comes in handy again. So put that on. Oh, make sure it aligns with the sticker. So and after that, just put in the 4 screws in. These are M8 screws, but don't worry. Yeah, you've got all the tools you need to build it. So that's really nice, and all of the tools are very high quality. So that's great. 570S. What else? So 7-speed dual clutch transmission. Not to 60 in like 3 point something seconds. So 0 to 60 in about 0 to 100 kilometers an hour about 3.2 seconds. Very, very fast. Oh, fun fact, the 570S was actually my first supercar experience. So that's a little fun fact for you. So yeah, that's it. That is the tilt mechanism. Next, you gotta take the wheelbase, and there is a hole right here. Right, so next, just carefully insert the wheelbase right here. Don't have to screw in or anything, you just have to push it in. All right, so pretty much done. So all you have to do now is just carefully lift it up. So slight error. And oh, that's nice. It's quite nice. Yes, of course. But just let me rest for a while, Pete. It's actually hard labor. Oh yeah. Okay, the seat's not done yet, but before I put on the pillow, so next, all you have to do is put on armrests. So these are foam material. They feel really soft, actually. That's really good. And they are magnetic as well. So all you have to do is put it on. Right, there you go. So yeah, all you have to do is put it on. It's magnetic, and also it's very nice and soft. And if you wear these out over the years, you can just take them out, and they sell replacements for this. So, and for the final touch, your head pillow, and it's magnetic as well. So, oh yeah, that's nice. Just put it up there, so you don't cover the McLaren logo. Nice. And there you go. That is the Secretlab TITAN Evo McLaren edition. So let's try it out. So that was easy enough. It took about an hour, but I think if you are more mechanically inclined than I am, then you'll probably take a bit shorter than that. So yeah, you got 4D armrests. You can adjust it front, back, down or up, or you can tilt it to the left or to the right, which is great. I find that it's often quite difficult to find the perfect armrest position with cheaper chairs. So this is great. I really appreciate this. And as I've said before, you can take off the cover and then find replacements. And there are actually several colors on their store, so you can find the color that you like. The lumbar support is also 4-way adjustable. The left one makes it go up or down. The right one makes it go front, forward or backwards. So yeah, you can infinitely adjust the lumbar support to find the perfect position to fit the curvature of your spine. It's really great, especially if you're a bit old like me. Additionally, it has Secretlab's Cold Cure foam. It's not too soft, but not too firm either. It's very comfortable. But the only thing is these chairs come in small, regular, and extra large. I'm 169 centimeters, about 80 kilograms. And I feel like the seat base is a little too large for me. So if you're around my size, maybe get a small one instead. But yeah, other than that, I think you'll be comfortable whether you are watching an F1 race or editing some videos. should be fine.
Thank you, speeders, for watching. If you enjoyed that, don't forget to watch our McLaren 720S review for more McLaren content. Don't forget to subscribe, let us know if you want us to do more reviews like this, and we'll see you on the next one.